Bitcoin right now is on a key level of support, and it looks like you're failing that support right now. $65,500 is a massive weekly support. If you can't hold that level, I'm looking for more downside. Technically, I had the weekly support at 65.7, 65.5 in that range. So if you want to say 65.7 to be safe, but either way, Bitcoin does not look very good right now. And really, the next level of support I have is 60,467. And then I don't know how my line got deleted, but you do have a decent amount of support at this $57,000 region. So we will see what happens. But that is kind of what I'm looking at right now. Is 57K is the most likely scenario if you don't get back above 65.5, and I guess also 60,000 would be next. So 60,000, then 57. So right now I'm more bearish than bullish because you are below the weekly support at 65.5, 65.7. So to me, that's what we have to look out for. Also, on the weekly chart, you see the stock RSI is coming down. Now, it's very likely you make a higher low and put a higher low in for the weekly chart. The last local low on the weekly chart was all the way down there at, holy crap, the last time the weekly chart was oversold, it was all the way oversold, was 14,000. That was the low, was about, just over a year ago. So, yes, you had this little bit of a dolphin dip here when you went down to 38, but the RSI never got completely oversold. So, to me right now, it's likely that that Bitcoin makes a higher low. Very likely, actually, they make a higher low above that $15,000 area. If we look at the 3-day chart on Bitcoin right now, you're making a higher low. I would still say this bullpen is in play if you can get back above 65.5. Otherwise, it's not a good look. The daily chart also is just starting its dump, making a lower high. But you could also say, again, that it's still in this bullpen on the higher time frames. But I would negate this pattern if you can't close a weekly candle above 65.5. So if Bitcoin Sunday night closes below 65,500, it's likely that this pattern is going to fail, and we are going to go to the downside, to my downside targets. The lowest one is 57K for right now. So we'll see what happens. Shorter term, where can we go? Well, again, you're losing the bottom of the pattern. That's not a good sign. You also lost a 200-day moving average on the 4-hour time frame, so it's likely we do come down to that $60,600 level on Bitcoin. The 1-hour chart also, look how fast this RSI is getting overbought. It's likely this makes a lower high, and unfortunately, I can't really see, unless Bitcoin can stay above 65,500, I'm looking for more downside. So that's the biggest level to watch this week. If you stay above it, I'm looking, this bigger measure move can play out to the upside. If you stay above 65.5, this bigger measure move up to around 100,000 can play out. If you don't hold 65.5, you're probably going to at least 57K. It's pretty much that simple. I'll wrap it up there. If you guys enjoyed this, appreciate it if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and also join the trading group if you guys are interested. Link to join is in the description below. See you guys in the next update.